Thelma, a professor of theology at Athens University, she is also an authority on ancient Greek mythology and has been studying this for more than 30 years. In her free time, she writes thrillers. At least 13 of her thrillers are based on the great myths and legends of the past. The truth is, she says, I think many of the themes are very relevant today. As an author, I can make these myths come alive. It may be an orthodox method of informing people about the past, but many readers seem to think it's worthwhile.